Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of all devices on iCloud. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. First of all, launch Open the Settings app on your iOS device and then go ahead and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Now, scroll all the way down and you will be able to see the sign out option. Tap on sign out and enter your Apple ID password in order to sign out of your account. Once typing in the password, tap on turn off at the top right and you will be able to sign out of iCloud. Tap on the sign out option at the top right one more time and tap sign out in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sign out of iCloud on all devices. Remember that signing out of iCloud will also sign you out of other Apple services like App Store, iMessages, and FaceTime. If you want to sign in back on the device, you will need to enter your Apple ID and password again. So that's how easily you can do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.